Maggie.
Clear, Jack.
Jack on, Jocelyn up top.
Jocelyn. Unfortunately,
Clear.
I'm gonna have to grovel. Okay.
Beg.
Maggie, run 2.
Well, there aren't many of you up there, obviously, but guys, there's a little slough on the low line, so it pays to be ahead of this thing. Get out of that crap. Keep it rolling.
Eliza's in the gate.
Maggie.
Clear, Carter.
I'll sit down. I'm pulling this chair up. Okay.